Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. In this video, I am going to discuss a very important subject, which I already highlighted in another video, but that was in Urdu language. And maybe some people did not understand. So this video is for them, so that maybe they will also benefit from this talk. My friend, we all people who are working abroad, we have a very important document which is called passport. My friend, this passport must be valid for all the time. So at least before 1 month of expiry date of your passport, you must submit your passport in embassy for renewal. You must memorize that which date and which month your passport is going to be expired, so that you will be able to submit the passport in embassy before 1 month of expiry date. My friend, when you receive back your passport after renewal, give both old and new passport to the office concerned or the person concerned to make information transfer from old passport to new passport by Jawazat. When your new passport will be updated at the same time, the new information of your new passport will be updated in your Upshare account. So, when you submit your passport for information transfer after 10 to 15 days, must open your Upshare account and check the data of your passport. If still it's appearing the old information, again must approach to the same office or the same person and tell them that your new passport is not yet updated. So maybe due to some much work or due to some other reason, still your passport not been sent to Jawazat for update. So follow and keep on checking your Upshare account. If still on your Upshare account appearing the old data of your expired passport, it may cause the delay of your iqama renewal or the processing of your visa for any emergency vacation. You must follow so that you should not face any problem in case of any emergency for vacation or for iqama renewal. May Allah help us in all of our matters and guide us in all the way. Khuda Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.